How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the TNT Auto Parts YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick review on the REM trunk mats and spare tire covers. So here we have one of our rubber Mopar gray plaid trunk mats. Very thick, high quality rubber material with a printed pattern just like factory original. Each trunk mat that you order is going to be specific to each vehicle, fit right in the trunk and curve around things like the trunk supports, the quarters, the trunk divider, and the fuel filler. Available in many different patterns for GM, Ford, Chrysler, and more. We also have these trunk mats available in vinyl with fleece backing. Super high quality. This is more of like a driver quality trunk mat. Just as durable as the rubber, but just the fleece version. Very nice. We also have available spare tire covers in rubber or vinyl. Very high quality, same material and available in the same pattern, fleece backed or rubber. And those additionally come with the boards on top for extra rigidity. All right, so today we're going to go ahead and install one of our vinyl fleece back trunk mats. This application is the 74 to 76 Dart Swinger, Plymouth Scamp, and Plymouth Valiant. This is how you're going to receive your vinyl trunk mat. It's going to be folded just like this. Sometimes, if you'd like to be flat when you install it, you can lay it out, unfold it, lay it out, give it some heat, give it some time to get the folds out of there, but the creases will work their way out with some temperature and average wear. Go ahead and unfold it here. As you can see, we have the cutout for the fuel filler neck right on the left side. That'll fit perfectly just around the fuel filler. Just open it up. There she is. Just go around and make sure it's laying flat. And there you have it. Like I said, after some heat cycles and driving around for a while, putting some stuff on it, the creases will work their way out and you won't see those folds anymore. But this is the REM 74 to 76 Dodge Dart Swinger, Scamp, and Valiant vinyl trunk mat.